What is TCPA litigation, and how can call centers avoid it? Have you ever wondered what happens when a call center makes a mistake with telemarketing calls? Well, that's where Telephone Consumer Protection Act litigation comes into play. This legal action stems from the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, a federal law that was put into effect in 1991. Its main goal is to protect consumers from unwanted telemarketing calls, messages, and faxes. Under this law, call centers face strict rules about how they can reach out to consumers. For instance, they cannot use auto-dialers or pre-recorded messages to contact cell phones unless they have received prior express consent from the recipient. If a call center violates this law, they could face hefty penalties. Each violation can lead to damages of $500, which can increase to $1,500 if the violation is deemed willful. Lawsuits can be filed by individuals or as class actions, which can result in significant financial consequences for companies, including call centers. This is why understanding and following the rules is so important for anyone in the call center industry. To steer clear of TCPA litigation, call centers should adopt several best practices. First, obtaining and documenting consent is essential. Before making any calls or sending texts, call centers must secure clear and verifiable consent from consumers. This means that the consent should be straightforward and easy to understand. Next, maintaining and respecting do not call lists is vital. Call centers should regularly update their internal lists and check them against the National Do Not Call Registry. This helps avoid contacting numbers that have opted out of receiving calls. Using compliant technology is another key factor. Call centers must ensure that their auto-dialers and systems adhere to TCPA definitions. This means they should not qualify as auto-dialers unless proper consent has been obtained. Additionally, every call or text should offer a clear way for recipients to opt out of future communications. This shows respect for consumer preferences and helps maintain a positive relationship. Training staff on TCPA rules is also important. Customer service and compliance teams should be well informed about the requirements and any recent legal changes. This knowledge can prevent accidental violations. Regular monitoring and auditing of calls can help identify potential issues before they escalate into legal problems. If a consumer does file a complaint, responding promptly can help resolve the issue and reduce the risk of a lawsuit. By following these guidelines, call centers can not only avoid costly litigation but also build trust with their customers. Respectful communication practices lead to better customer satisfaction. In short, TCPA litigation is a serious matter that arises from violations of telemarketing rules. Call centers can protect themselves by securing consent, respecting do-not-call requests, using compliant technology, providing opt-out options, training staff, and monitoring compliance. These steps ensure lawful and respectful communication with customers while minimizing legal risks.